Before we get started in our challenge, first off, congratulations making it this far into our Chatbot program. Here's a fun challenge that you can try out while you try out some awesome coding skills. Do your best to implement the following. If your sprite is talking, add a costume that makes it look like they are talking. You can either make them open their mouth or make them move in some way. If your sprite is not talking, add a separate costume that makes it look like they are just standing there. Such as an example, not talking, and with its mouth open, perhaps it is talking. An example of this can be that, let's add in a new trigger to our program. That way, when this sprite is clicked, it will ask the question and it will start to also show costumes of it talking. Let's go into our costume category to see what we have. We have 3 costumes, it seems. Feel free to delete any costumes you may not need, perhaps the sad one. And I can switch between these 2 costumes. So back to the coding category. That way, when this sprite is clicked, let me zoom into that portion. When the sprite is clicked, I can make this sprite forever switch between the costumes, just like the rock band between it was shaking back and forth. Let's use a control to use a forever block. And we wanted to switch between the 2 costumes. Let's use a looks category. That way we can switch the costumes. Let's use a next costume block and add in a wait block. That way there is a pause between the 2 codes. Let's see. If we click on our sprite, you will notice that now it seems that it is talking. If you want the mouth to go faster, you can lessen the seconds to maybe 0.5. And that is a way to make your character talk. If you wanted to shake back and forth, you can perhaps use the same code blocks from the rock band to turn left and right. Again, this is your program, so feel free to add in as much details and code blocks as you want. Again, if you have any questions about this project, feel free to reach out to us at AI Code Academy. See you for the next project.